right, hello. Here we have the mobility challenged accessibility room on the MSC Seashore Room 15040. As you come in, as you notice, the door's larger than normal and has two peepholes. You have your standard room key light thing. You have your do not disturb button and your make up room button and your lights for the room off and on. On this side, you have your hooks to hang along with the mobile accessible one. Here you have your full length mirror from ceiling to floor, able to check out your whole belly. Here we have the standard air temperature controller. All you do is hot or cold, that's it. You don't see any numbers, you just have to guess. Light for the bathroom. As we come in here, you'll notice wider door with no hump. Clear way through. Four-wheel check. Come inside, you'll notice no hump here as well, no glass, just a shower curtain, but easily manageable for those accessibility issues. Got a stool here that you need to flip up or down. Adjustable height shower. When we first came in, it was here. Now it's up here. All right, page right here. You have your emergency cord in case you have to pull that, have to call somebody. This right here lifts up the railing, wide space for a wide load. Helpful hint, bring your own toilet paper. This is the toilet paper that they gave us, kind of thin. This is the toilet paper we got from Publix, Angel Soft. We also have an emergency call button here, just in case you need some assistance. Plenty of railings for the help. Here we go. We have the sink area, modest, but enough space for your bags and everything. Throughout this, I'm going to try and refrain from using the term yacht club. I'm not going to do it because there's no comparison. That's normally what we say along. This is a non-yacht club. All right. Come here, close the door. As you'll notice, there is a lot of room for maneuverability in here. Very, very large room. All right, so over here, we have space for a wheelchair come through. We have a very small nightstand. We do have a USB port front by the bed, along with an emergency button that Gina keeps worrying that she's going to press by accident in the middle of the night. Hopefully, that will not happen. Got a bed by the light. You can either have a little bit of light with the reading light up here, or a lot of light. It's up to you. All right, we move around this way. But take note, this is a connecting room. We don't know whoever's over there. But if you have another person that you are rooming that you want to cruise with, but have a different room, there you go. Got two closets, left and right. These have this that pulls down in case you need it, along with the safe thing down here. Standard safe, two drawers, cubby hole for your kids. And the second side over here, also with the pull down. All right. Another helpful hint, if you're here on MSC, towels, either orange towels or brown towels. We bought our own. After the last time when they wouldn't give us an extra one, we decided, hey, let's bring some extra towels just in case. You have your standard desk over here. Not really it's not that small, manageable size. We have 2 European plugs, 2 American plugs, 2 USBs, light switch, phone, light switch for the light, ice bucket, modest size TV, not too small. I'd say about medium size, medium to large. Here we have the mini bar,
Fridge.
mini fridge. Inside the mini fridge, you have items here where if you wish to pay for them, go ahead and make use of them. If you don't wish to pay for them, close it up. Of note, they have miniature bottles back. We had wondered on the last couple of yacht club cruises where they didn't have the little miniatures. We thought they discontinued them. Come to find out, nope, they just took them out of yacht club because in yacht club you were able to have as many of them as you want. They said, oh no 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 no, they're just going to give you 1 bottle of liquor. That's it for your convenience in the room.
Them.
However, down here, if you're willing to pay for them, they got them for you. All right, we have them locked this if you so choose. I don't know because I like using the fridge for my own stuff. All right, you have what appears to be a stool and another smaller stool.
I think that's a table.
Table and stool, maybe? Maybe. Alrighty then. Over here on the other side of the bed, light switch.
No.
You do not have any USB or plugs over this side, but you do still have your light with the little reading light. For us readers, small table, a chair. If you'll notice, you do not get a sofa in this room. You actually have just a chair. The balcony. Apparently, this button is for the light. Oh, it does. I do see it.
Oh.
And this right here is for if you want to go outside to the balcony. Let's give it a try and see if it works. I hear it. And then the sensor. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying.
Gotta wait. Wait.
Okay. And that's what's supposed to happen. Come on here. And they actually have a wood part on it. Oh, actually, that's not device. Nope. I don't think they have this on everybody's. I think this wood part right here is only for accessibility rooms. Because if you look over here, they have the normal balcony. Normal balcony floor. I believe this room is an accessible room, and the next room is an accessible room.
Mm-hmm.
Which has these floors. But they're also around here at the hump. So you have a slightly larger balcony. 2 chairs. Hey. Hello, hello, hello. Wait. Actually, this is pretty nice out balcony. This, I believe, is bigger than the balcony on the rooms we had on the Norwegian Viva and the Norwegian Viva. And our yacht club balcony. It is also larger, I believe, than our yacht club balcony was. So you get that perk right there. All right. If this is the end of our tour. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Stop by, say hi, kick your feet up, sit a spell, have a beer, have water. Thank you for watching.